Okay. Luke helped me out. He brought over the inner primary with the bolt I need. Right there. So that'll take care of that problem. But I got a new problem. Barnett tool, fuck me, that's what happened. Fucking bastards. They didn't ship my goddamn package until today. Fucking lying son of a bitches. Do you think I ain't happy? Fucking am not happy. Fucking bastards. Fuck me. So no clutch. Alright, so now I gotta deal with what I got in front of me. Pretty much anything I rely on myself anyway. So we got a 6-plate fucking clutch I don't want to use. There's only 6 plates. I want 9. Fucking Barnett's 9. I got a piece of shit stock Harley clutch with 30,000 miles on it. Fuck that. That ain't happening. So we're stuck with this shit. So now, how are we going to make this piece of shit work? Are we going to put the belt drive back in it and rig up this goddamn piece of shit clutch hub over here? Or are we going to do something else? Cut this piece of crap here down. Fucking piece of shit. Get the fuck out of the goddamn hub. Fucking piece of crap. Fucking piece of shit. Fucking crap. Fix that son of a bitch. Till I'm not happy. Okay, I'm going to cut this piece of shit down, see if it'll fit in this damn basket, and we go racing. That's what I'm going to fucking do. I ain't answering the goddamn phone either. Fuck that phone. Tired of being Mr. Good Guy to everybody in the damn fucking world instead of working on my shit like I should be doing. Fuck them. Okay. Things gotta go down to 5.6 inches. We're at 6 inches. Okay. Let's go see what we can do on machining. Okay. Time to quit screwing around and get some work done. Okay, I machine it down, it's in there, snap ring will barely fit. I cut the Indian one down because it's the one that would clear. And it's in there, don't know how much clearance we got, don't know how many plates I could put in there. Damn thing's in there, that's all I know. This piece of shit don't fit. Okay. Now I gotta fix that problem over there. I gotta hang down the chips. Okay, I gotta deal with the other problems around here. What I'm gonna do is get this stupid ass handle out of my way. Okay, we're over here. Inner primary, where's it at? Okay, I get this bolt out of here. Bring everything over here dirty. Okay, this one has the Phillips screws in it like I talked about earlier. Damn it! Oil on my fingers. So, see how it's got Phillips instead of Torx head? New ones are Torx, old ones are Phillips. The real old ones are straight slot. Okay, so we need a big ass bit. Probably bigger than that. And bigger than this. What do we got that's bigger than that? Probably nothing. What's the biggest piece of crap I got? I think that is the biggest piece of crap I got. That's, yep, here's one over here. There's a bigger one. There, thought I had one that fit it. Okay, let's see how tight these are. works. Okay. Shut the fuck up. That's some damn thing. Okay. Put this back in here so I don't lose it. Okay. I'm done with this filthy thing. Find me a nut for this and a washer. So they're going to be over there someplace. I'm trying to remember what they use. I know they use a lock nut. I don't know if they use a washer nut. Don't remember. Probably should put a washer on it, but less parts rattling around inside the motor is probably better. So we just tighten up against that. Okay, this goes over here. It's called a stove bolt. It's made for old stoves. It goes in there like that. Encapsulated, doesn't take any space behind it, so it fits in this stupid ass primary over there that has no clearance cutting anymore. Stupid design. Alright. So we're going to make it work. We gotta get a bike together to go racing tomorrow. Done screwing around. I do the torque spit the head out. It's out someplace. Where did it go? Where did it go to? There it is. Looks like it might actually fit. Fuck. Shear it off.